Hi. Today, let's talk about the steps required by an ExactPath administrator to properly set up your account. This includes defining academic years, selecting your standards, and setting your test windows. When you first log into ExactPath as an administrator, you will be taken to the Settings area, signified by this little gear icon. A series of tabs at the top of your screen will take you through this process. Start in Academic Years and Standards. An academic year is a required first step and is used to guide your test window structure and data reporting. It allows you to group all data together from a specific school year or custom span of time, like a summer or winter session, so you can compare growth and progress over the course of that time. Any present and future academic years you've already set up will display here. Let's select Add Year to create a new academic year. I can go ahead and select the type of year that I am creating, select the year that it's for, choose my start date, and my end date. And select Save once created. Next, I have my standards set up. I can select the standards that my ExactPath experience will align to. You have the ability to select Common Core or your specific state standards in this area. Notice there is one additional option from this page. I can choose to auto-generate learning paths. If selected, this means that students will be given immediate access to an on-grade level learning path before diagnostic data is ever available. This is a quick way to allow students access to learning before testing takes place. When a student does take a diagnostic during the year, the learning path will automatically be updated based on that performance. Consider if this is the appropriate action for your implementation. Conversely, you may only want students using ExactPath after diagnostic data is available to individualize that experience. Check or uncheck this box as you see fit and select Next. Test windows. This will take you to the Diagnostic Testing tab at the top. In this area, you can set your test windows within the specified academic year. I can go ahead and choose my academic year here at the top. You have the option of setting up to 4 testing windows per academic year. Most district and school partners opt to select 3 times a year, once in the fall, once in the winter, and once in spring. And we have included recommendations aligned to that best practice. In the purple info box here at the top, you can see details about these suggested dates and best practices for administration. This includes a recommendation to first test students early in the school year for an accurate initial benchmark measure. There's also a reminder to complete each testing window within 2 weeks for the most accurate results for all learners. We also recommend a minimum of 60 instructional days between testing cycles to allow for accurate growth measures. Finally, recommended dates are listed here, aligned to the national percentile ranks in the program. I've already set my first test window here, but now I'm going to go ahead and select my second. Remember, test windows cannot overlap. So I will go backwards in time a little bit here. Start this on the 28th. This one has closed the 26th. And I'll go ahead and wrap that up first week into the new year. When setting test windows, you can also choose to auto-schedule diagnostics. This feature automatically schedules all diagnostics when the testing window is open. If this is selected, no further scheduling action is required by instructors. Finally, from this page, I can choose diagnostic availability. I might want to turn off access on Saturday and Sunday, as one example. And maybe I want to adjust some of the hours to match my school day for the rest of the week. So I can go ahead and do that here. When all of my selections have been made, I can choose Save Settings at the bottom. Now you know how to define your academic years, select your standards, and create your testing windows in ExactPath. Thank you for joining me.